Okay, I'm going to go over mixed numbers a little bit more in the improper setting. Uh-oh. All the way I'm proper. I'm wearing all my proper clothing and not using profanity. We're just going to get wild with our numbers. Okay, 3.5. In order to change that from a mixed number to an improper fraction, and there are reasons why we do that, you take the whole number, multiply it times the denominator, so 3 times 2. Then you take that answer and add it to whatever the numerator is. So your answer then comes to be 7 over 2. What you're doing is, this number is actually whole sets of this number. In other words, if I had 2 over 2, that's 1, 2 over 2, that's 2, 2 over 2, that's 3. How many? 1, 2, 3. This, this, remember, looks like the number 1 on the 2 setting, right? The number 1, the number 1, the number 1, it's all on the 2 setting. Well, that's what this is, 1, 2, 3. It's the exact same thing as if I had 2 over 2, 2 over 2, 2 over 2, and add them all together, you would have 3, and then you have a 1 over 2. So what if I added all those together with the fraction there? Let's see, 2 over 2 plus 2 over 2 plus 2 over 2 plus 1 over 2. Well, let's see. 2, 4, 6, 7. That's 7. That's what we got. Okay? You're just multiplying the whole number times the denominator and adding it to whatever you have on the numerator. And then your answer ends up being over 2. Because, as we know, a fraction is really a what in disguise? A division problem. If you tipped it over, the 7 would be under the split line and the 2 would be right there. 2 into 7 goes 3 times and you have 1 left over. Ta-da! Was that just amazing? Was that just really rocked your world, didn't it? Well then, let's do it again. All right, let me show that to you again. Here we go. Mia is so excited, she's just about asleep. Okay, so let's say 4 and 2/8. Whoa, we're getting up there now. Let's find out about this. If you have 4 of them, you would have 8 over 8, 8 over 8, 8 over 8, and 8 over 8, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 of these. Plus, you still have this here, the 2 8s. So how many is that going to equal? 8 plus 8 plus 8 plus 8. 8 times 4 is 32. Plus 2 is 34. Over 8. Okay? That's basically what that is. If you want to change it from a mixed number to an improper fraction, this is what it would change to. Well, let's tip it over and see if that's right, okay? So 34 would be underneath the split line. 8 would be over here. 8 goes into 34 4 times, because 8 times 4 is 32. And you would have 2 left over that you put over that as your fraction. There you go. You see that? Oh, wow. That's how it works. You take and you multiply the whole number times the denominator times 8, which is 32, and then add it to the numerator. 34 over 8. Cool. Hey, you're getting brainy now.